In this video, I want to share with you a great tool I found to help me keep up with my kids after working in front of a computer all day. The Lifepro Pulse FX Percussion Massage Gun. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology can enhance my time with my kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I will unbox the Lifepro Pulse FX Massage Gun, give you my first impression after using it for a few weeks, and at the end, I'll share why I think this massage gun is the best combination of power, usability, and price for me. As this dad ages, my body, every part of my body, tells me with louder and louder voices every day how stretching, warming up, and recovery are much more important than before. I was just joking with a buddy the other day how our bodies started to hurt when we move too much in our 30s, but in our 40s, our body hurts even when we don't move. Especially after working in front of a computer all day, I need all the help I can get just to keep up with the kids. I remember being intrigued the first time I saw and tried a homemade massage gun a couple of years ago. Yeah, the one based on a jigsaw. While it gave me a good massage, it was very heavy and loud. Quite intimidating, really. Nothing my wife would ever try. I'm glad to find many massage guns in the market like this one right here is still very powerful, yet lighter and quieter. Looks much better too. The Lifepro comes in a well-constructed carrying case with a handle and two zippers. Inside the case, there's a massage gun, user manual, a charger, a charging base, and a separate case for 4 more massage heads. Most massage guns don't come with a free charging stand. The Lifepro can be charged with just the charger or on this charging stand, which is very convenient. The battery lasts between 3 to 7 hours with each charge, which is much better than most guns already. It's nice to be able to return the gun to its charging stand when I'm not using it and pick it up fully charged next time, ready to use. There are 3 lights near the base of the gun indicating the battery level. The Lifepro comes with 5 typical massage heads. The round one for an all-around massage, 2 flat, good for larger muscle areas. The bullet for a more focused massage to release muscle knots and treat specific areas more deeply. And lastly, the spinal head, which has 2 spaced out hard points. This should probably be used more carefully and sparingly around the back and spinal area. I end up using the round and the flat attachments most of the time. This Lifepro is one of the most powerful massage guns on the market. It has a 16mm amplitude. Amplitude is how far the head travels, basically how punchy the gun is. The higher the amplitude, the deeper the gun will hit. At 16mm amplitude, the Lifepro is in the class of most powerful percussion massage guns, which go deeper and feel punchier than the cheaper vibration type massage guns, which are mostly at 12mm amplitude. This Lifepro also has a high stall force, up to 66 pounds on the high setting. Stall force is the pressure needed to stall or stop the gun's motor. This is even higher than the much more expensive Theragun G3 Pro, which is only at 60 pounds. There are 3 different speeds controlled by this button above the on and off switch, 1800, 2400, and 3000 RPM. I mostly use the 1800 and 2400 setting, but for some tough areas, 3000 RPM, which is faster than most guns, can really hit and release the muscle knots hard. So the Lifepro Pulse FX is one of the most powerful massage guns out there now. But is it loud, heavy, hard to use? Percussion guns can be very noisy. A noisy gun is very uncomfortable or close to impossible to use. Thankfully, with the brushless motor, this Lifepro gun is not loud. It's about 60 decibels on high. That's a moderate noise level, as loud as a normal conversation or a refrigerator hum. You can certainly have a conversation over it or watch TV while using it, especially at the quieter lower 2 speeds. The Pulse FX is also not heavy at 2.2 pounds. The design allows the gun to be held at different places. It has 3 adjustable angles, which I think is very important because these angles make it easier to hold and use when reaching to target certain areas like the upper back myself. It's also easier to hold when massaging someone else. The on and off switch and the speed adjustments are right next to each other, so I can easily turn it on and adjust the speed with one hand. The Pulse FX is available in 4 different colors: black, gray, blue, and the red one I have here. It's listed at $299 US, but there is often coupons for a good discount. It's a fair price for such a powerful massage gun, especially with the discount. Something very unique to this gun is Lifepro offers lifetime warranty and support on it. One thing to know is after you use it for a while, the area next to the motor does get hot to the touch. It's not so hot that it burns, but it does get quite hot. So you have to be careful. I do wish the battery can be swapped out. Since the battery lasts for a long time, between 3 and 7 hours, it's more than enough for several sessions. But it'd still be nice to have the option of swapping a charged spare battery in case I forget to return the gun to its charging base. But mostly I want to be able to swap in a new battery when the old battery no longer holds charge well with time. I've read that the lifetime warranty also covers the battery. I'm less concerned if that's really the case. I'd also love this gun even more if it could be quieter. Along with good stretching, the Pulse FX has helped me warmed up and recover from some very stubborn sore muscles. I can use all the help I can get to keep up with the kids, and the Pulse FX is certainly a great help. It is powerful, quiet enough, and easy to use at a good price. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you have any questions about the Pulse FX or have found a good massage gun, please let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our time with kids and family, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.